What is up? It's Tommy Toog and we're back with something different. So, this is a 1991 Ford Capri single cam. Basically, a friend of mine was going to buy it off of us. We don't need it anymore. And then I opened this little bad boy. It was full of the old magic milk. Cleaned it out, put some oil in it to get it in here, but it's pretty dead. So we're gonna do a head gasket on it. A buddy of mine's gonna take it after that. But yeah, we're gonna do some of that. So just loosening the bolts on the alternator and the water pump pulley. So I can get this timing cover off. Get access to the timing belt. Which is going to be real fun. About one pulley. And one timing belt cover. So now that's all off. You can see we get access to the timing belt. The water pump's down in here, so that'll all need replacing. The alternator's back there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all milky in there, which is really not ideal. So the pulley separates, and the front part carries the power steering pump, operates that, and the rear operates the alternator water pump assemblies respectively. Now you can obviously see there's a keyway, keeps it all aligned and legit. So all those bolts are loose, but obviously the crank bolt, that's not going to be fun. Off you come, Poppy. So as you can see, there's a timing mark just here. And it's time to check the timing before we get too deep into this. So you check the timing top and bottom and get that set before we start taking the top off. So this one's pretty simple. I believe that's the timing mark there on the top. And there's a very small timing mark here on the upper cam gear. So let's just mark both of those and make it real easy. So now we put the bolt back in the bottom, spin it around a couple of times, make sure it's all timed correctly and doing the right things, and then we come back to this mess. We're back. It's timed. So this is the timing mark, and this is indeed the timing mark. However, down in here, there's a little indent in the back plate, and that's in fact the timing mark. These are just reference points. So put that back on with the nut in between it, so I can undo it. But we'll take the tension off and get the belt off, and then it's this mess. So I can finish taking this off. All the bolts are loose. I just need to take this coolant hose out so that it'll come off the studs. I don't rate these hose clamps, by the way. Hose pliers. Doesn't like me, doesn't want to come off. Will it come off? Hey! Alright, so the camera battery died. In the meantime, went to the effort of taking all the radiator out, taking the belt off now, tension is off. Obviously you saw me take the manifold out. So now I've got to label all of this crap because I need to take that manifold off, so when I pull the head it all just comes out and I can clean all the injectors and all the other crap that I currently don't need. But yeah. filming a webisode and you spill everything out. Dried up. Alright, we're back. The time lapse is over. Enough of watching it work in really fast motion. So, the manifold's off with the stay, big old hole here. The whole vac system came out as well. All the exhaust manifolds off. Radiator's out, fans out. This whole chunk of wiring's disconnected. The belt's obviously off. I'm pretty much ready to pop the rocker cover, find out how gross it is in there, and then start taking the rest of it out. Leave the distributor in the bay, hopefully. But it's obviously got to come off the head to get that out. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for today. Probably 3 or 4 hours deep in just getting everything out and getting it set up to do, but that's cars, I guess. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you soon. Bye.